Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Mr. Math Experience. Today, we are talking about how to find the XY intercepts on a function. But the one we're analyzing today is a little bit different. It's going to be a constant function. Okay, let's start. So our order says find the intercepts, XY intercepts if possible. So we have the function negative 8y equals to negative 48. We're going to divide by negative 8 on both sides of the equation. We have y equals to 6, and this is the actual form of a constant function. Okay, we have y equals to a constant. We usually call it a k. It's a number. Okay, along all of the x-axis, y is always going to be 6. So here's the graph of this function, y equals to 6. As we can see, is a horizontal line actually parallel to the x-axis. And this function actually, like I said, is always going to be uh, 6 on the values of y. Okay, so if we want to determine um, these intercepts, so we need to think with both axes, right? So let's write down here. With x axis, and the other one will be with y axis. So it's very simple how we need to think this part. So whenever we want the intercept with x axis, we need to assume that y is equals to 0. Okay, that is what we're going to use here on our function. So if y is equals to 0, we'll have 0 equals to 6, which is not consistent. So if we see the graph here, there is no moment where y is equals to 0. It's the opposite. Y is always equals to 6. Therefore, there is no intercept with x-axis. Same thing for y-axis. When I want the intercept for the y-axis, I assume x is equals to 0. Okay, when x is equals to 0, my intercept with y-axis is actually 6, is right there, is where it's cutting through the y-axis. So my coordinate will be 0 on x and 6 on y. If we try to plug this number into our function, when x is 0, y remains 6. Actually, it doesn't matter what is the value of x, y will remain 6. But the value where it's cutting through the y-axis is actually on x equals 0 as well. All right, thank you for watching. Um, Remember, send your questions, send all of the maybe homework you have, some um, help that you need. We'll be glad to create content for you. Thank you.